Hi everybody, I've got the motor running, and I'm using this small board. This board here just producing it's just the NE55 timer square wave coming up to this board. This board is running the two P-channel MOSFETs, and what I'm doing is as soon as I turn this power switch on, I'm going to charge this one. And then when this reaches a certain voltage, like 75 volts, then this one will charge. And we should be able to watch the scope when that happens. Okay, first one's charging, and the second one charged. Pretty interesting. So anyway, that's what I had to do. I had to use two drivers and a comparator and an inverter to get this done. Anyway, have a good